Here's a quick video on how to replace the batteries on your Chamberlain universal 2-button garage door remote. All you need to do this is a coin cell battery. This is a 2032, and also a small flathead screwdriver. I picked up the battery, the screwdriver, and the remote off of Amazon. There'll be a link in the description for all of them. First thing you need to do, take your remote, and you're going to see the plastic seam here. So you want to take your flathead screwdriver and kind of pry it between it to crack it apart. You really want to get the back of the shell off where the battery's at. All right, it should pop off. Now on the front of the circuit board here, you'll see your battery, so you want to slide it through. Now take your new battery, put it back in, slide it through. Now you're going to pop your cover back on and snap it shut. And you're all set. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.